Very good morning. I am from Eclipse Techno Consulting Global Private Limited. Hope you all are aware about a very popular branded software running in India for children education. That is Startwrite software. It is downloadable from www.startwriteindia.com. Yes, www.startwriteindia.com. And in this video, I will show about one only feature that is called start dot. Okay, so that is start dot feature. And what is this? Actually, there are multiple features available in this software. It is downloadable from this website www.startwriteindia.com, and it's a demo. And to get the full version, you need to purchase the license. Fine enough. So I am talking about how start dot works. When you create a worksheet like A for apple, and you print it and give it to your child to know to start practicing A for apple, first confusion comes in their mind is that where to start? Where to start my pencil through? And we have the feature start dot for this problem. When we press this feature, just see there are some red dots. If you print after this, then the children will get this red dot and understand that here I need to start. So it's a very amazing thing. There are multiple more features. I will be coming separately for each features for each video in this series, but just I am showing here a start dot. So in this start dot feature gives you a dot where to start the pencil. Now I can change the color of this dot as well, this way. I'll click here. I'll go to start dot color. I can make it blue. I press OK. See, it's already blue. Now I press OK. See, it's already A. Since children always love, uh, you know, colorful things, so you for multiple times when you create a worksheet, you can use multiple colors for start dot as well. So like A for apple, B for ball, you can do multiple things and then print and then hand it over to them. Let them enjoy their writings. They let them enjoy their learning how to write. Thank you so much. Hope you will enjoy Startwrite software. Please wait for the upcoming videos with other features. Thank you so much.